Before we paint these, we're going to go ahead and get the holes drilled for the chrome. Luckily we had a bed side that was already drilled, so I'm doing pilot holes on this side. And we'll come back and make them the right size. Just step down bit. Yeah, that's too slow. Just another step before it's painted. Got the rest of them marked. We traced and transferred the paper over the other side just like we did the flames and marked them. And after he gets the chrome on the bed, gets it mounted, he'll do the chrome on the cab, make sure it lines up. This is Ricky. I'm a flash shot. We'll see you on YouTube.